Bharat This Week, your comprehensive weekly news roundup. I'm Laura Nika, and here are the top stories from across the nation this week. Bharat came alive with devotion and grandeur as the nation celebrated Holika Dahan and Dol Purnima 2025. The evening before Holi saw bonfires blazing across cities and villages, symbolizing the victory of good over evil. People gathered to perform rituals seeking blessings for prosperity and happiness. Meanwhile, in the eastern states, Dol Purnima, also known as Basant Utsav, brought a cultural charm to the festivities with devotees singing and dancing in honor of Lord Krishna. Holi, the festival of colors, lit up the nation with unmatched energy. Streets transformed into vibrant canvases as people drenched each other in hues of red, blue, green, and yellow. Music, dance, and traditional sweets like gujia and thandai added to the festive fervor. Across Bharat, communities came together, breaking barriers of caste, creed, and status to celebrate unity, love, and the spirit of togetherness. This year's celebrations mark a renewed commitment to joy and social harmony. In a grand initiative to promote wellness, the Bharatiya government launched Yoga Mahotsav 2025 in New Delhi, flagging off a 100-day countdown to International Yoga Day, June 21st. The nationwide movement aims to encourage a healthier lifestyle with yoga workshops, awareness programs, and interactive sessions planned across cities and rural areas. Yoga enthusiasts, experts, and citizens from all walks of life are participating, embracing the ancient practice as a tool for physical and mental well-being. The event sets the stage for a global celebration of yoga, reinforcing India's role as a wellness pioneer. Jammu and Kashmir have fully implemented the National Education Policy NEP 2020 across all government degree colleges, aiming to elevate the quality of higher education in the Union Territory. The initiative aligns with the broader goal of transforming India's education system by introducing a multidisciplinary curriculum, skill-based learning, and a flexible credit-based structure. The government hopes this policy will improve student engagement, research output, and employability in the region. That is all for this episode of Bharat This Week. See you next time.